Hello, hello. I have a package from Furls to open. So I previously did a review of their Odyssey hooks. Excuse my fingernails. They're bad. And they had a sale on, what do they call it? Their streamline hooks, because it's like National Craft Month or National Crochet Month or something like that. So I ordered a couple hooks, even though I should not have. Let's see what we got in here. Fancy. So I ordered one streamline and one streamline swirl, and it doesn't say the sizes on the outside. Let's see. So it doesn't say the sizes here either. I got an ebony wooden one and a cafe and cream streamline swirl. So, whoops, I threw the second hook. Whoops, I meant to just throw the box. Let's open this streamline first. Oh, this one does have the size engraved on it in letters and in millimeters. Yay! I don't know if anybody watched my review of the Odyssey hook. That was one of my biggest complaints. One of my only complaints. Okay, as I was saying, one of my only complaints about the Odyssey series was that the size is just on a sticker on the end, and it doesn't have the size in millimeters, because I don't have these sizes memorized. I don't know what an H hook is. I think that's the 3.75 millimeter, but I don't know. So this one does have it engraved right on the face there. My washing machine is shaking my entire house. It feels very light. I wonder how much that weighs. I have a handy dandy kitchen scale. Oh, right in the glare. Okay, let's go ahead and tear this baby. And this one, 17 grams versus this one, 32. So that's like almost half as much, right? 17 times 2 is 34. So this is way lighter than this. Okay. Turn that on. And now I want to open the streamline swirl. I don't remember what size I got in this either. Oh, it's pretty. 6 millimeter. I got a 6 millimeter. Oh, I like this one. And this is much more visible than this one. It's like they filled this one with paint, but not this one. I don't know why. Let's get the scale just for comparison's sake. This one feels a little heavier. 22 grams. So, not that this is necessarily surprising, but the wood is the lightest, then the resin, than the Odyssey. I don't know why they didn't do this engraving on the Odyssey. Like, that would be so nice to have on this, because I think this one is most expensive. I don't know, because they didn't put prices on my packing slip, but yeah, I look forward to trying these two, and I'll probably make another video about how well they perform. This is just a quick unboxing while I'm in the middle of trying to do something else. But next time I do an actual stitch, I'll try and use one of these. Yeah, they're very pretty. I really like this swirl one, but I prefer the feel as I'm crocheting of a metal tip. So we'll see if I like either the wood or the resin from this brand. I know I don't like those tips from most, but yeah, I'm excited. New stuff for my quarantine crafts. Bye.